Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to select meals on Porter Airlines. Now, here's a detailed guide on how to select meals on Porter Airlines. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and navigate to www.flightporter.com. Then ensure you're using the latest version of the website for optimal performance. Now, if you have a Porter Airlines account, which you have in here, just at the top corner or in the top menu, go ahead and click on Manage Flights. And once you click on Manage Flights, click on My Bookings. And that's going to take you to the My Bookings page where you can see a list of all your upcoming and previous bookings and manage from there. So I do not have a booking yet, but if you do, you're going to see a communication box that allows you to enter your booking reference or your confirmation number, booking reference or confirmation number, and the last name. So enter your booking reference and the last name to access your reservations. If you do not have an account, you can just continue without logging in. Okay, but then enter here booking and then your booking reference and the last name. So once you have done that, go ahead and look for the flight. So once you've entered that for that particular flight, it's going to take you to the flight details page, okay, or the booking details page. Now, in your flight details page, look for an option that says select meals. Okay, so this option may be located under additional services or on the booking overview page. So click on select meals to view available meal options. Now, Porter Airlines typically offers a variety of meal choices, including breakfast options, if applicable, lunch and dinner options, snack selections, and dietary options. So read through the available meal options carefully to find something that suits your preference. Once you have reviewed the options, select your preferred meal for each passenger in your booking. And if traveling with multiple passengers, ensure that you select meals for each person individually. After making your selections, review your meal choices to ensure accuracy. Confirm your selections by clicking the confirm or save button. And then if there are additional charges associated with your meal selections, review the payment details before finalizing. And once you have confirmed everything, you should receive a confirmation message regarding your meal choices. If you encounter any issues selecting meals through the web app, you can contact Porter Airlines customer service. All right, so just look for the contact button option at the bottom of the homepage for phone number, email, or live chat options. So have your booking reference ready when contacting customer service for assistance. On the day of a flight, make sure to inform the flight attendants about your selected meals if needed, especially if you have special dietary requirements. And that's it. You'll be able to enjoy your meal during your flight. Go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.